10 divided by 1/2 times 5. Go ahead, calculate it in your head right now, and watch yourself get it completely wrong. Here's what 90% of people do. 10 divided by 1/2, well, that's 5, right? Then 5 times 5 is 25. Done. If you just said 25, you fell into the trap. The trap is thinking 10 divided by 1/2 equals 5. That's backwards. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. How many halves are in 10? 20 halves. So 10 divided by 1/2 equals 20, not 5. Let me walk you through it correctly. 10 divided by 1/2 equals 20. Now 20 times 5 equals 100. The answer is 100, not 25. You were off by 4 times because you forgot how division by fractions works. Fractions flip your intuition every single time. Dividing by a fraction makes things bigger, not smaller. If this wrecked you, leave a like and subscribe. I'll keep delivering these reality checks that prove you need to go back to basics.